In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color cells in Monday.com. While Monday.com doesn't offer a direct method for coloring individual cells or entire columns, we can achieve this through the use of the conditional coloring tool. Now, don't worry if this sounds a bit technical at first glance. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step to ensure it all makes sense. To start off, you'll want to locate the toolbar above your board table. If you look closely, you'll see a small icon resembling 3 dots. Go ahead and click on this icon. It might seem like a small action, but it's your gateway to accessing a range of settings and options. Among these, you'll find the feature we're interested in today: Conditional Coloring. Once you've opened the menu, select Conditional Coloring. This will reveal a list of currently applied conditional coloring rules, if there are any. Here's where you get to work your color magic. The first thing you'll notice is a selection of color swatches, tiny boxes filled with a spectrum of colors. Clicking on one of these swatches will allow you to pick a color that will vividly stand out in your table. After choosing your color, you can decide whether you want to apply it to a single cell or an entire row. This flexibility allows you to customize your visual presentation according to your specific needs, drawing attention to key data points or sections of your workflow. Next, you'll need to select a column. This step is crucial because it determines which column will trigger the coloring condition. The column essentially acts as a signal, informing the system when to apply the colors based on the conditions you set. After selecting the column, it's time to define the condition that will trigger your chosen color to appear. Depending on the type of column you've selected, for instance, whether it contains dates, numbers, or status labels, the conditions you can choose from will vary. This feature offers a powerful way to automate visual cues in response to specific data configurations, like changing the color when a deadline is approaching or when a project status changes to completed. Once you've dialed in your color and set your conditions, you can simply click away to close the Conditional Coloring dialog box. Instantly, you'll see your new colors come to life on the table, providing visual clarity and enhancing the usability of your dashboard. And there you have it. A streamlined way to bring color into your Monday.com boards, all achieved by leveraging conditional coloring. It's a fantastic tool to make your data not only more visually appealing, but also significantly more functional. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.